A shielded virtual machine is a Generation 2 Hyper-V virtual machine running Windows Server 2012 R2, Windows Server 2016, or a newer flavor of Linux. It uses a variety of current generation technologies, including virtualization-based security and BitLocker drive encryption. It does so to protect its contents from Fabric administrators and workload administrators. Let's talk about how we can separate the roles between Fabric and workload. In a guarded Fabric using Host Guardian Service, we have two different roles, the Fabric admins and the workload admins. And each of these different administrators do different things, so we need to separate their duties. The Fabric administrator has access to start and restart the host. It can also start and stop virtual machines. And it can create virtual machines. But that's where the Fabric administrator's role ends. Once those virtual machines are created, stopped, and restarted, then the workload administrator takes over. The workload administrator has access to remote desktop, so they can go in and make changes. They also have the ability to use PowerShell remoting, so they can remote into the server using PowerShell from another computer. And they also have browser-based connectivity, so they can connect to it using a web browser if there are programs that are browser-based. So as you can see, the workload admin has access to everything on the inside of the server, whereas the Fabric administrator has access to everything on the outside of the server, including creating virtual machines. By separating these duties, we make sure that we only assign the correct administrator the rights they need to the job that they need to perform. So by separating out the Fabric from the workload administrators, you can keep untrusted administrators from making changes to virtual machines.